The Olympic Games are a world sports event. During an event, food freshness and safety are extremely important. The cold storage industry plays a key role in ensuring food safety and freshness. Next, I will introduce to you 5 components related to cold storage equipment of our company. This handle has a built-in spring structure. The door can be opened or closed easily, and the mounting base can adjust the installation height. This hinge comes with a hinge cover and leaves no trace after installation. Large rotatable installation angle. This hinge is suitable for both right and left hanging, allowing it to meet the needs of different users. This hinge has a lifting function and automatically rises when the door is opened. This hinge has been completely upgraded. It uses a new aluminum alloy material. It is lighter in weight but has no loss in load-bearing capacity. This hinge has a height adjustment function. In order to give back to customer support, we will launch a limited time event for this upgraded product. Buy 10 and get 1 free.